Check out this dirty pan. No matter how many times I clean this thing with soap, it never gets to how shiny it used to be. But when I watched the episode of The Bear, where Tina explains that the pots are toast.
All these pots are toast, mama. Look at this. Half of these pots are burnt on one side.
Sydney comes in with a brilliant recommendation to use Barkeeper's Friend.
Maybe we can Barkeeper's Friend some of them.
Science, baby.
What is BKF, you ask? Well, it is a cleaning powder that contains glass oxide, abrasives, and oxalic acid to professionally clean stainless steel, porcelain, ceramic, copper, brass, chrome, and aluminum. With a little bit of effort, it will make any surface look like new. So here's what I used. The dirty pan, obviously Barkeeper's Friend, a scrubby sponge, and latex gloves. When I got started, I forgot to press record, so the initial clean was not captured.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
The first thing you have to do is sprinkle on the powder, get it wet, and get scrubbing.
Yeah, boy.
You'll have to use a little bit of elbow grease, or in my case, the whole dang arm to get the grime out.
Son of a bitch.
I did try soaking the pan in hot water mixed with BFK for 10 minutes, which did an okay job. However, to tackle the really tough stains, the company suggests making a paste, then apply to the areas for 1 minute, and start cleaning, which honestly was the best method.
Nice.
Keep in mind, I went several months using this pan baking in oils, which are the worst to remove. So I had to spend about 15 minutes really scrubbing this pan. But the effort paid off, and Barkeeper's Friend truly worked as intended.
I got a bunch of those stains out. That Barkeeper's works. Science, baby.
So there you have it, guys. I took that grimy pan and made it like new. A little bit of elbow grease, went a long way, couple attempts, but as you can see, I got most of it clean. That stuff was all caked on it. Barkeeper's Friend worked out really well. Highly recommend you get yourself a canister if you had a similar situation with your stainless steel or even just cookware in general. It really takes that caked on food and grime and oils off and pretty much makes it like new. So be sure to go check it out and get yourself a canister and take care of your cookware. Remember, guys, don't just fix it, make it better. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.